Hello everybody, welcome to Fast Vlogs. This is a Formula X gel, anti-puncture gel that we wanted to install in our Royal Enfield Classic 350 with tubeless tires. So we were looking for various types of products in the market and trying to do the research, and finally we decided to go with this product Formula X gel. I am nowhere connected to them. I am just doing the review of this entire process. So if I spoke to the owner here and understood that it's a gel that you can see in the that in the video that he's trying to put in the tire. Very simple process, but I recommend you should do it in the proper center of theirs, because number one, they have the right tools, very small tools like the one that he's using right now, which actually gets the entire gel out. And so the process gets over, I think, in 5 minutes, where they just diffuse the air from your tires, and like this they put the gel in both the tires, and after that they fill the air. Once that is done, the instructions or advice they gave us is to drive the vehicle for 10 kilometers, not with more than 40 speed, because they wanted the gel to be uniform across the tire, and the gel should make a layer in the tire so that the solution of anti-puncture is applied everywhere. It's made in UK, the product, as it is mentioned on the box, and there are various packs that they have. There is one for scooter, there is one for bikes, there is one for these bikes which are more than 250cc or something, then there are this for super bikes. So I think the total cost with installation was somewhere around 1500 rupees. It is also available on Amazon, but we had to travel around 22 kilometers to this particular shop of theirs and to get it installed. But we are happy because we got it done from the people who are trained on the product. We are taking the vehicle out for a long journey, which is around 1000 kilometers to and fro. I will do the review after I use this for good 6 months, and I will do the review again, the user review. Till now, I think this is the one that we liked after doing a lot of research in the market, and we wanted to show it to you, the entire process. So if you like our work, if you like what the information that we bring, please give us a subscribe to our channel, or at least like the video. There's a lot of effort that we take in order to bring the valuable information in front of you guys. So I'm signing off. Thank you so much.